Shri Krishna Chu Bhagavat Gita Manzwanan Yasuparitat Sachus Balol Varan. Beautiful. Hello, I'm Varad Ganjoo from Melbourne, Australia. How amazing to have Bhagavad Gita in our own mother tongue, Kashmiri. Looking forward to get entire version of this highest scripture of our land that has even mesmerized greatest scientist of modern times, Albert Einstein, who had said, quote, "When I read Bhagavad Gita and reflect about how God created this universe, everything else seems so superfluous." Unquote. I'm sure all of my friends around the world would be eagerly waiting for this treasure from the Dilipji uncle. And the Dilipji uncle, Asaniyan tarf to big thanks. Namaskar.